If you've ever spent your morning fixing a spreadsheet that worked perfectly yesterday, this video is for you. Here's the thing about spreadsheets. They're amazing until they're not. What started as your business's best friend has become its biggest bottleneck. You're drowning in manual data entry. Your team wastes hours hunting for the correct version of files. One typo in cell B47 crashes your entire quarterly report. Sound familiar? This isn't just inefficiency, it's opportunity cost. Every minute spent fixing spreadsheet chaos is a minute stolen from growing your business. But what if I told you there's a better way? Imagine waking up to dashboards that update themselves, reports that are always accurate, teams focused on strategy, not data cleanup. Make decisions with confidence through real-time accuracy. Let automated workflows handle the routine so your team can focus on impact. And with one source of truth, there's no more confusion over which report to trust. The best part? This scales with you. Whether you're managing 100 customers or 100,000, integrated systems grow without the growing pains. Ready to break free from spreadsheet prison? Visit anyconnector.com to achieve system harmony and more business growth hacks. And let us know in the comments, what's your biggest spreadsheet headache?